आजच्या तासाला आपण चेंजिंग इन ॲग्रिकल्चरल मॅनेजमेंट ड्यू टू बायोटेक्नॉलॉजी. Genetically modified crops, GM crops, are being produced by introducing changes in DNA of natural crops. Normally, such varieties are not found in nature. Thus, new varieties are produced artificially. Different useful characters are introduced in such varieties. Ability to withstand environmental stress. Some naturally occurring varieties cannot withstand environmental stresses like frequently changing temperature, wet and dry famines, changing climate. However, GM crops can grow in any of such adverse conditions. As GM crops are resistant to insect pests, pathogens, chemical weedicides, etc., the use of harmful chemicals like pesticides can be avoided. Due to use of seeds of GM crops, there is an improvement in nutritive value and decrease in loss of crops. तिथे काही GM crops दाखवल्या चित्रामध्ये टोमॅटो आहे, 2 नंबरचा बटाटा आहे आणि 3 नंबरला मका आहे. टोमॅटो, पोटॅटो and maize. In this way, as seeds as a better quality of crops are being produced, farmers all over the world are cultivating the GM crops on large scale, and the area under his cultivation is increasing day by day. High yielding varieties of GM crops like banana, maize, rice, potato, soybean, tomato, cotton, apple, brinjal, papaya, beet, rose, tobacco, wheat are available. Pest resistant genes have been introduced in some of these GM crops. For example, maize, MON 810, MON 863. Potato, Amflora, rice, golden rice, soybean, festive gold, and tomato, Vaishali, and cotton, BT cotton. In this way, a green evolution is being achieved through tissue culture, and a country like India with a high population in meeting with a success in producing sufficient food grains for all. Application of biotechnology in floriculture, nurseries and forestry. Nurseries are necessary for various purposes like growing gardens on a large scale, reforestation, example, etc. Seedlings have to be supplied in large number. For all these purposes, it is profitable in such cases to produce plantlets with the help of tissue culture techniques. Tissue culture can be used to grow those plants on a large scale which bear flowers, fruits and excellent quality. Fully grown up plants can be produced in shorter durations. Plants can be grown on a large scale even of means pollination or germinating seeds are not available. For example, orchids or pitcher plants do not germinate, but these plants can be easily produced by means of tissue culture. In a bioreactor, cells can be grown in more nutritive medium and protected from pathogens. Bioreactors are useful for producing plantlets on a large scale.